Now today's lesson on ninjutsu is actually called Fujitsu. So ninjutsu, Fujitsu. Okay, so we're working from Natoryu blank workbook, and of course get yourself a copy of this as True Path of the Ninja. Now I'm explaining this as we go along, but there's a teaching by Isui Sensei that says Fujitsu. So the jitsu is inside of Fujitsu. Now this word Fujitsu is him trying to give the way of doing an easy lesson on Kyojitsu. Now Kyojitsu I'm going to do in a future video because it's a bit more difficult, but it means substantial and substantial, what is presented and what is hidden, okay, that type of thing. And what he's done here is made it very simple for students to understand, because that's Fujitsu, yeah, and that's no substance, basically no substance. So what he's saying is, when an enemy hides something from you, they hide their fortifications, they hide their secrets, they make movements to do something, you can see the truth through that. This goes back to the Mumon no Ikan gate, but the gateless gate, it's similar sort of thing. But the idea here is that so say somebody makes a wall, a strong wall, yeah, and they put all their guards at one point, that could be because it's really weak wall and they need to do it. Or if there's a weak part, what they do is move their guards somewhere else and try and hide it from you. But the fact that they're moving the guards is sort of telling you that something is happening, and there's a reason they're putting the guards in a certain place, yeah? Because of something else. You've got to work out if it's jitsu or kyo, like substantial or insubstantial. They've put their guards on the east wall because the east wall is weak and needs guarding, or they've put their guards on the east wall because the west wall is the strongest, doesn't need any guarding. Or they've not put them there because it really needs guarding, but they don't want to draw the attention to it. You see what I mean? You've got to guess, why are they doing it? And he's saying, always the enemy will present Fujitsu. Normally when they're trying to deceive you, they try to deceive you, unless they're a massive army and they just don't care and they're just like, we're massive, it doesn't make a difference. So he says the substantial is hidden in the hidden. It's there, you've got to dig down for it. A little bit of a difficult one, guys, but I hope that helps you understand.